Hi guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. So guys, today I am here to tell you how you can make your love to your partner stable, how you can make him or her to love you without looking elsewhere, without having any serious relationship with somebody outside. If that is what you want to hear, now relax, take your cool drink or cool water, and then grab some popcorn and stay tuned, watch to the end. But before I go into that video, I want to use this great, wonderful opportunity to thank all my subscribers, my OGs, for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. And to those who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So in this channel, we teach you how you can use little things around you to solve spiritual problems by the spiritual grace of God. So guys, moving on to the video. If you are here watching me today, you are having or you perceive that the initial love that you once shared together is no longer there, especially with your relationship, your marriage. You are finding it that your husband is no longer having interest in you, your wife is no longer having interest in you, and you really want to restore that initial love genuinely by using something natural. Now, I have something that I want to share with you that you can easily make by yourself, and when you start using it by the special grace of God will restore that initial love, and you both will fall in love again, just like Romeo and Juliet. Yes. So now to do that, you only need few ingredients. Number one ingredient in my list today or item is this. So this oil, it is called Six Flower Oil Perfume. Six Flower Oil Perfume. So this perfume is strong perfume on its own. Now you want to enhance that love. You want to bring that initial love that both of you experience when two of you are coming together, like the initial love, right? So you need one bottle of this, or you can get as many as you can, like four, five, or even three. So it depends on how many oil that you want to make, how many love and bonding oil that you want to make by yourself. Okay, so when you get this oil, they call six flower. Please, there is fake all over the places right there. So if you want to make use of this particular oil and you want it to work for you, please make sure that you get the original one. Make sure that you get original. There is fake everywhere now. So get this oil. Okay, now get a leaf called a missy sweet. Okay, so I'm going to drop the picture of the leaf is either here or here. Okay, so you need also alligator pepper. You need like seven or six. Okay, just make use of six seed, like one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, just six seed. Then this um flower that I want to introduce to you all. This flower has a lot of goodies packed in it, especially when it comes to a matter like this. You understand? When it comes to a matter of loving, caring, spending, and also attraction. All right. So one of the benefits of this flower is what I'm teaching you today. And the rest of the benefits of this flower, I'm going to teach that to my group people on WhatsApp. So if you want to be part of that group, all you have to do is to just join us by registering with 3,000 naira. Then when you register, I'm going to direct you down to that class where you're going to be learning how to use even animal seed leaf, so many things to awaken your spiritual life. So you need this particular flower, the fresh one. Okay, look at it. This flower is beautiful. A lot of you don't know that you can as well use some certain flower to attract something good in your life, to attract something beautiful in your life, something shiny, something unique in your life. So you need this flower, okay? Yeah. So all you have to do is just get this flower like seven. Don't use the leaf, please, only the flower. Okay, so this is in of this flower. Okay, it only comes out once in a year. This particular flower right now, it comes out once in a year. So you get like 7 pieces of this, or 6 pieces of this particular flower. Now get that your away missy leaf and 6 seed of alligator pepper. Now grind everything together, or if you don't want to grind the leaf together, you can dry it and then grind your alligator pepper. All you have to do is to pour it, pour the grounded leaves, the flour, and the alligator pepper inside here. Shake it very well. Okay, shake it very well. And after shaking it, you open it like this. When you open it, you decree what you want in that relationship. You decree how you want your initial love to be back. If you want it to be, I don't know how I'm going to say it, but anything that you decree on this oil, on the oil, that's how it's going to be. Okay, so you decree it concerning your love, your husband, your wife, your relationship, your boyfriend who wants to marry you that has not indicated interest. You can as well, say all of those things in this oil, and then after that, you do what? You cover it and keep it to the place where nobody else will touch it. Allow it to stay there for like 7 good days. 7 good days. And then when you get there, please make sure that when you want to get this oil, that you are clean. What I mean clean is this, that you are clean, you are not seeing your menstrual cycle. You understand? So you bring it down and then start rubbing it. After you finish your bedding at night, rub it in there at night, and early in the morning after bedding, you also rub it. And let me tell you, if you do this oil to your boyfriend that is shaking head, or to your girlfriend that is shaking head in a relationship, or to the runaway boyfriend or husband that is not having interest in the wife any longer, he or she will begin to have interest when you are rubbing it as a wife on your body. Then, if you're a man, when you're rubbing it, if your wife is no longer having interest in you, she will begin to have a lot of interest, like with begging. Okay, I'm just revealing the secret. Then, if you're the type that you don't like using oil, then you can use perfume, and the perfume that you are going to use is the perfume called Miss Paris. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so this is Miss Parish. Okay, so you follow the same process. Put inside the perfume. I like the perfume on. You know why? Because it's helped me to attract so many people. Like when I'm using the perfume on, everybody wants to be together with me. Everybody wants to, want to associate with me. Everybody wants to love me. You understand? So I don't regularly do this every time. Is so when I feel like I want to do it, then I will do it. But I like using perfume on. So you can use also the perfume type, okay? But you must use this Miss Parish, this particular one, okay? So guys, that's it. Does the end of this video for today. So, but before I go off, I have a lot of things in stock. I have breakthrough soap, cleansing. A lot of I have palm kernel oil, red one, black one, a cocuta stone for protection. So I have a lot of things. All you have to do is to chat this number 090 5982 5779 just to place order of any of my spiritual products and also herbal products. Okay, please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share it, and also leave your nice comment in the comment section. Remember, if you want to order the already made oil of this or perfume, just chat me on the same number. See you on my next video. Like this video. See you. Bye bye.